Hey up guys, today I'm doing a challenge what you've asked me to do in my comments, like the extreme sour apples, and I've bought them today and they're the chewy ones. I couldn't find the originals, but and it still has the same contents saying, warning, don't weight of more than you can chew. So I've already had one to try, and my head nearly went, but yeah. But I'm actually going to fight and try and eat all 5. So let's see how that goes. But one thing to start off, there isn't going to be a meet and greet this year because all family are poorly, and I'm not being well. I've been on and off with myself, and it's been a bad year for me, and yeah, I've not been myself. That's why I haven't been live streaming. I've been out to support Graceffa. He's got a new Escape the Night season 4 coming out soon. He's just made a new costume, so I'll put him down in the comments. But he's a really good YouTuber. He does everything to do with huskies, and he's just had one of his dogs, Lark, just had baby puppies. They were used to be that small, but now they're really big. So yeah, but if you're new to here, subscribe, press the notification bell, and comment down below. If you've seen me before, guys, you know what to do. And thank you for all the comments what you've put, and thank you for what you said about my hamster. It is sad, but what can you do? Nothing. Thanks to Smoke, the e-cig shop, because they're really good at they're really good because they've got good quality e-cigs like this one. This would have been £35, but with 3 e-liquids you get, and it's £45. So that is not bad. So thanks Smoke for everything what you've helped me with this e-cig and sorting my coils out and stuff. I'm hoping to see you again because I need a new coil, and plus I'm looking for a new e-cig for Christmas as well. But I have found one, and that's the Smoking Wakefield in the Ridings. So let's get on with the challenge. So first step is obviously unwrap it, and obviously you've just seen the new Adam B99 doing these, but with the toilet wastes. I don't know how he coped. So I'm going to unwrap it. Obviously I didn't mean to throw it on, and eat it now. One gone. 4 more to go. After this, if I get sugar rush now, it's your guys' fault. Jerks. You've done this as making me to do a challenge. Look how green they are, look, guys. It's sick. Last one, guys. Oh. Ugh. Guys, I'm done. I've had all 5. Oh my god. Right, anyway. If you want to see any more of these channels where I do the challenges where I eat sour stuff, so I don't normally eat sour sweets, what's got loads of sugar. I'll put in down below Adam B99, Adam B, anyway, because he does all these challenges as well, not just me, he does all the pranks. So yeah, the shout out goes today is Aaron B as well, because he's always a good YouTuber and I never stop watching his videos. and Joey Graceffa as well. He's really good. And Master Perrette, Joe Graffa's boyfriend, he's good as well. So yeah, make sure you go follow them down below. They're really good to follow. So bye, I'll speak to you all later. Bye.